Hey there guys, welcome back to YSB assignments. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Plus don't also forget to turn on your post notification bell. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter at BawaRoxy, then like my page Craving Success HVT. Alright guys, so today I'll be teaching you how to live stream from your mobile phone. So first up, launch your YouTube app, click on the plus sign, the plus sign on the horizontal line. Now click on go live. Okay, so you'll be brought to this interface. As you can already see, I have the title of my live stream already, free channel critic, because I do free channel review for people. So you can set the public or private status, but it's best to set it to public. Now you can decide to make your video restricted to viewers over 18 or not, but it's best you don't restrict it. Don't restrict. Click no, don't restrict my video, but you have to select yes it is made for kids or no it's not made for kids. If you want your videos, if you want there to be comments in your videos, you have to select no it is not made for kids. Plus you can also select your location. So if you're streaming from Uganda, from South Africa, from Morocco, from Egypt, from Asia, Europe, UK, from Australia, US, Canada, anywhere, Argentina, regardless, just click your location. If you want to add your location, it's optional. Okay, so you can put any title for your live stream. Next, click on next. Now take a selfie for your thumbnail, but you can see the thumbnail is not looking very good. For that reason, I'll click on the plus I'll click on the pencil icon there and click on upload thumbnail. So after doing that, you can click on an already created thumbnail. Now try to drag it to fit the size, the 16:9. So you are all set. Thumbnail is looking very good and the title is also looking very good. So you can decide to change your camera from the front camera to the back. If you want to stream with the back of your camera, all you have to do is click the camera icon at the top right hand corner, or you click the arrow for sharing. So if you would like to share the link to your live stream on any social media platform or on any platform at all before you start live streaming, you can do that to your WhatsApp contacts, to your Instagram followers, on Pinterest, to your Facebook, to your Twitter, to Quora, Google Classroom, any platform whatsoever. Or you can also create a post on your YouTube community tab. So it all depends on what you want. Alright guys, so you can decide to share the link to any platform at all. Next up, click on go live, and we are live. Yes, as you can see, I am just staring right back at you. We're already live. Now you can decide to save highlights or still share or enable your flash if you're in a very dark environment, or do a silent stream and mute your microphone. So your save highlight will help you to save the last 5 minutes of your video. So if you've streamed and you want to create the highlight of your stream, if you probably did something very eventful in the last 5 minutes, you can click on save highlights. Okay, now your share icon is still there. So while live streaming, you can also still share your link so that more people can join your live stream. So as you can see, someone has already joined the live stream. Yeah, if you look at the top of the screen, you see a +1 there, and I also have a thumbs up from that person. Okay, So it all depends on what you want. Now you want to share, you want to save your highlights, or enable your flash, to brighten up. And if you want to stop your live stream, just click on the X icon on the top right hand corner. I just did that. So this is the statistics for the live stream. So I had one playback, I had peak current of 1. The total watch time was just 15 seconds because I only live streamed for 4 minutes and had just one person watching the live stream. Okay, as you can see, a very good statistical analysis of the live stream. Now you can see 2 videos have been uploaded. One is a highlight, while the other is the main live stream, which is still processing. So for the highlights, there's something very important you need to do. You need to click on the 3 dotted lines and edit it. Click on edit, and when you get to edit, click on unlisted, change and click on public, because if you leave the settings in unlisted, your video will not be seen by anybody unless they have the link. Okay, so under this edit, you can decide to add tags, write a proper description for the